Welcome to Learning Max Whiteboard YouTube channel. Today JEE session 2 started April 4. So we are going to see the questions in this video. So look at the first question. This is the question. If 2 and 6 are the roots of the equation, we have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus 1 equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus 1 equal to 0. Roots of this quadratic equation is 2 and 6. Okay, then the quadratic equation, so we are going to find the new quadratic equation whose roots are 1 divided by 2a plus b and another root is 1 divided by 6a plus b. Okay, so now we all know that alpha is one root and beta is another root. So we all know that the sum of the root is 8, which is equal to minus b by a. So these things we all know that, and then the product of the roots is 12, which is equal to 1 divided by a. Okay, so 1 divided by a is 12, so obviously a which is equal to 1 by 12. A equal to 1 by 12, we have to substitute here, then only we have to find the value of b. So if we substitute now, minus b which is equal to 1 divided by 12 which is equal to 8, so obviously b which is equal to minus 2 by 3. After all the substitution process, we will get b equal to minus 2 by root 3 and a equal to 1 by 12. Then we have to substitute these two things in here, then only we are going to find the new roots for new quadratic equation. So 1 divided by 2a plus b, 1 divided by 6a plus b. So 1 divided by 2, a replaced by 1 by 12 and b replaced by minus 2 by 3. Okay, and then here 1 divided by 1 by 12, b replaced by minus 2 by 3. Okay, so this is one root and this is another root. Okay, so if you solve this now, you will get 1 divided by 1 by 6 minus 2 by 3. Here you will get 1 divided by 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. After all the simplification process, you will get 1 divided by minus 3 by 6, and here 1 divided by minus 1 by 6. So this will become 1 divided by minus 1 by 2, so we can directly write it as minus 2, and this will become minus 6. So one root is minus 6, another root is minus 2. So we all know that the general term of the quadratic equation is x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Here alpha is minus 2 and beta is minus 6, so we have to substitute those things here. So obviously we will get a quadratic equation x square plus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. So that is the new quadratic equation we are going to find. So this is the answer, last answer. So x square plus 8x plus 12, that is the required quadratic equation. So look at the second question. So second question comes from sequence and series. So in GP, term 1 which is equal to 2, we all know that GP means first term is a and second term ar and third term ar square up to etc. the general term ar power n. So this is the GP general term of an GP series. So here term 1 means a which is equal to 2, and then second term ar which is equal to p, and then third term ar square which is equal to q. So a replaced by, we can put it 2r which is equal to p and 2r square which is equal to q and a which is equal to 2. So this is generally we know that. Now look at the next part of the question. These are also the terms of 7th, 8th and 13th. So these things are also which is equal to 7th term and 8th term and 13th term of what? Arithmetic progression AP. So we have to write it what? 7th term means a plus 6d, which is equal to 2. And then why I am putting capital A na? These two A's are different, so that's why I am putting A in this term. For A is a capital letter, and second one is 8th term. So 8th term na A plus 7d, which is equal to 2r. So why I am equating 2 and 2r na? So that is the equal, and that is the term which is equal to GP also. So that's why I am equating 7th, 8th and 13th term for 2r and 2r square. Next 13th term. 13th term na A plus 12d, which is equal to this time what? 2r square. Okay, so now we will get 3 different equations. So I am going to divide, this is second equation, I'm sorry, I'll tell you, this is third equation, this is second equation, and this is first equation. Now I am going to subtract equation 2 minus 1. So I will get what? A obviously cancel, 7d minus 16 d, which is equal to 2r minus 2. So 2 is a common thing, we have to take a common term as a 2, the remaining one is r minus 1. So the remaining term is r minus 1. So d, which is equal to 2 times r minus 1. Now you have to subtract 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 you will get 5d, which is equal to 2r into r minus 1. 2r into r minus 1. Now this is another equation, fourth equation, and this is fifth equation. So now I am going to divide fifth equation by fourth equation. We will get 5, which is equal to, so if we divide now, r minus 1 cancel, 2 cancel, here LHS d cancel. So in LHS we have 5 only remaining things, in RHS we have r only remaining things. So the common ratio in GP we are using a word common ratio, that is stands for r. So r, which is equal to 5, r equal to 5 now we can easily find the value of d. So d already we found that 2 times r minus 1. So 2 times 5 minus 1, that is 2 times 4. So 2 times 4, 8. So d, common difference. In AP we just used a word common difference. So that is d equal to 8, and common ratio r equal to 5. Now look at the question. So after all these things, they are telling fifth term of an GP. Fifth term of an GP is what? Fifth term of an GP is na a r power 4, which is equal to nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so now we have to find, using this we have to find n. So we know that a is 2. So in GP we know a is 2, r is 5 power 4, but we don't know a. In arithmetic progression we don't know a, but we know, using this thing we will find the value of a. So a plus, we found that d is 8, 6 times 8 to 48, which is equal to 2. So obviously a, which is equal to minus 46. So now we have to substitute a equal to minus 46 here. So minus 46 plus, we don't know n, and we know 8, d as a 8. So if you have to solve all those things, if you solve this now, this will become 1250, and then this 48 plus 48, and then this minus 8 plus 8, which is equal to 8n. So this is addition of 1304 divided by 8, which is cancelled together, you will get 163. So n as a 163. So the value is 163. That is the value of n. Okay, so we just move on to third question. So third question comes from a calculus, I think so. So I, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2 sine square x divided by 1 plus 2x into dx. So I am going to apply a rule, King's rule. So King's rule, if I used King's rule na, I, which is equal to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 sine square x divided by 1 plus 2 power minus x. So here we have a plus x, and then I just used King's rule to apply minus x, and then remember here I, which is equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine square x divided by I'm just using LCM, so this can be written as 1 divided by 2 power x. So here 1 divided by 2 power x, now we have to take LCM. So here 2 power x plus 1 divided by 2 power x into dx. So these 2 power x goes to the numerator. So I can be written as integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So 2 power x goes to there into sine square x divided by 1 plus 2x, 2 power x, I'm sorry, into dx. So this is equation number 2. And then the first one, we all know that, that this is the first equation. We have to add these two things. If you add these two things, you will get LHS as 2i, because I plus I 2i, which is equal to integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So 2 power x, to all those things cancel, you will get sine square x only, sine square x into dx only you will get. So sine square x into sine square x dx only you will get here. Next I am going to change the intervals. 2i, which is equal to 2 times 0 to pi by 2, we all know that, into sine square x into dx. So these two cancel together. So I, which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. We can write it. We can write sine square x as a 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. So 1 by 2, which means this denominator 2 can be written as like this: 1 by 2 into 0 to pi by 2. 1 minus cos 2x into dx. So next 1 by 2, now we have to integrating this 1 into dx. We all know that x cos 2x, that is sin 2x divided by 2. The limit is 0 to pi by 2. So if you are applying the limit, you will get 1 by 2 upper limit x instead of pi by 2 minus 0, and then whatever it is, it will become a 0. So pi divided by 2 into 2, that is 4. So pi by 4 is the answer for this question. So this is very easy. You should apply the King's rule and then change all those things. So you will get pi by 4 as a result. So option A, pi by 4 is the correct answer. Next question. So next question, 3 urns A, B, C are there. A, B, C is there. A has a 7 red ball and 5 black balls. So this is another question, comes from probability, I think. So yeah, it is a probability question. So we have 3 urns A, B, C. So urn A, which has 7 red ball and 5 black ball. Urn B has 5 red ball, 7 black ball, and C earns 6 red ball and 6 black ball. Okay, and then one urn is selected. Okay, one urn is selected means what? That is the probability of 1 by 3. Okay, P of A 1 by 3, P of B also 1 by 3, and P of C also 1 by 3. Next, look at the question. So that is not a exact question. One urn is selected and the black ball is taken out to find the probability of, that is urn A. Okay, find the probability the selected urn is A. So here we all know that probability of A by B, B means black ball taken out. So probability of black ball from A, which is divided by probability of black ball from A plus probability of black ball from B plus probability of black ball from C. So what is the probability of black ball from A? Black ball from A, now we have a 12. So 12, black ball only what? 5 divided by, and then we have to take 5 by 12. Next B earned black ball. B earned black ball 7 by 12 and C earned 6 by 12. So 12, 12, 12 that is khatam ho gaya. 5 divided by 12, I'll tell you. 12, 12 plus 6, 18 divided by 12. So 12, 12 it is cancelled. So 5 by 18 is the correct answer. So probability that is 5 by 18. So 5 by 18 option D is the correct answer. This is also very easy question. So thanks for watching this video.